Stack up. Contact 12 o'clock! Oh, shit! Hold on! Так точно, вижу его! We're clear! Contact 40 yards! Copy, target acquired! Moving! Target's 10 o'clock! 49 degrees! Target, 12 o'clock! Copy, target acquired! Cover me! Copy that! Target, 12 o'clock! Они обходят нас! Так точно, вижу его! Прикройте меня! Слушаюсь! Прикройте меня! Hey, check your fire! All clear! Truck, you're up. On it.
Наступил комендантский час. Каждый, кто принял закрытие повыше, будет считаться изменником правовладения.
We're gonna need another way out of here! Stairwell, left side, let's go! Через 10 минут! Прикройте меня!
Overlord, this is Sandman. We're at the bottom of the mine. We're gonna need air support.
Affirmative, Sandman. We'll chop a Predator to you.
Ready?
Troops are on the deck. Kills confirmed. Good work.
Target's at 2 o'clock! Roger, I see him! Cover me!
AGM's online.
Contact, 1 o'clock! Hey, check your fire! They're breaking from cover!
AGM's online. Solid copy, Sandman. Open 6. Payload target.
Contact at 10 o'clock! Copy, target acquired! Займите сюда ключом! Хожу на другую позицию!
Overlord, we're in! Approaching the target now!
Yuri, take care of the door! Wait! This is daughter!
Metal 01, what is your status? Have you secured the president?
Yuri, take care of the door! Wait! This is daughter!
Metal 01, what is your status? Have you secured the president?
Negative, Overlord, but we have the girl.
We'll prep a team for extraction. Continue searching for the president.
You trying to say something?
еще живой.
She said they took her father deeper into the mine.
Overlord, we are at
That's where
grid
we're
coordinate
going.
7015. I need a minute. Contact 29!
Request MH6.
Take your fire! Bravo. We're 6 minutes out. Blast on the scene! Only not too late! Bullshit! Tango's moving on the catwalk! Got a visual!
Overlord, we were at grid coordinates.
Target 1 o'clock! I see him!
Overlord, we were at grid coordinates.
Tango's moving on the catwalk! Target acquired! Moving on the catwalk! Grenade! Tango's moving on the catwalk! Got eyes on target! Come on, this way! Hook up! There they are! deal. We can't get through this. Any bright ideas? I've got one. Up top. Follow me. Get charges here, here, and here. Get charges here, here, and here. Get charges here, here.
Overlord, jackpot! The president is secure.
Solid copy. Gather your team and proceed to the
She's
RV.
alive.
What the hell?
Move! Move! Overlord, the place is gonna collapse any minute. The birds need to come to us.
Copy that. Hammer 1 is now en route. ETA 30 seconds. Stand by.
Hold this position. Evac will be here in 30 seconds. Overlord, the place is gonna collapse any minute. The birds need to come to us.
Copy that. Hammer 1 is now en route. ETA 30 seconds. Stand by.
Hold this position. Evac will be here in 30
Get the president on board. We gotta get the hell out of here.
President secure! Hang in there, I gotcha!
Price, you gotta go! Make sure the president gets out!
Don't even think about it, mate. We're in this together.
RPG!
Truck, cover the right side!
You better be right behind me. properly! Sandman, are you still there?
People have gathered today to greet President Vorshevsky in his return to Moscow. Reports have confirmed that peace talks between Russia and the U.S. are about to begin. In other news, the ultra-nationalist leader Vladimir Makarov is still at large.
We cross now to the Rose Garden, where the president is holding a press conference with Russian Premier Vorshevsky to formally announce an end to the hostilities.
On this historic day, the representatives of two great nations stand before you united.
There's a simplicity to war.
We declare that the time
Attacking is the only secret. Dare, and the world yields.
a chapter in which we pursue peace. With the
How
same
quickly they forget that all it takes to change the course of history is the will of a single man.
our very existence.
Who's this?
Prisoner 627. I'm coming for you, Makarov.
Average. Price. They say the war is over.
My war ends with you.
Like it ended for Captain McTavish. Tell me, Price, how long did it take him to die? I've destroyed your world piece by piece. It's only a matter of time until I find you.
You won't have to look far.